Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for stocking stitch. So I've prepared a sample piece here for you using James Zebra Amazon Super Chunky and using 10mm needles. So this piece shows garter stitch at the bottom and then the stocking stitch on the main piece there. Stocking stitch is used on everything and anything. You'll use it for pretty much every garment you can imagine. And it consists of knit a row and then on the wrong side a purl a row. So once you get the hang of it, it's easy to see that that's your reverse side and the other side. The smooth side is your knit side. So basically, yes, you knit a row and purl a row. So I'll just show you. So this is the knit side. And then you turn your work around, and that's your purl side. And you just purl across. And that's all there is to it, really. I'll just knit to the end for you. So there you go. That's your stocking stitch. I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.